All right, what up, YouTube? Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna sell Bitcoin. Yes, we're gonna sell Bitcoin. You know why? Because it's going down, guys. It's going down. Yes, it's going down. And I'm gonna tell you guys why it's gonna go down. You guys ready? Just kidding, guys. Just want to give you guys a little insight on where Bitcoin is going, and, and to be honest, uh, I think it's gonna keep going up. It's just a possibility, guys. What you guys think? You guys think it's gonna go up? Well, I want to give you guys my insight. Some people are asking me like what I think about Bitcoin. I mean, obviously, if you didn't buy it at 30,000, you already missed out on the opportunity right now. Some people think it's gonna hit like 100K next month. Some people think it's gonna hit $1 million next month. Some people think it's just gonna be a bull run until, you know 5 years from now, maybe it might come back down. But on a technical analysis point, yes, it is on a bull run. I'll be honest about that. It's been on a bull run for, man. It's been on a bull run since March, right? If you bought it last year in March, I mean, let's look at it. March. This is 2020. If you bought it in March of 2020 at, what is it, 5,000, and it went all the way up to almost 50,000. So you'd be sitting pretty good if you bought it last year. I'll be honest right now. That's a pretty good jump right there for you guys. Me personally, I know some people are asking like what my full insight on this. This thing is probably gonna keep going probably until whenever somebody wants to dump this thing. Just as honest answer I can say it. The easiest way to say is that when whoever wants to dump this coin and then shift over to another coin and get everybody all routed up and go invest in that coin. And that's the easy way things are gonna go right now in crypto. So people are just gonna skyrocket this thing as high as they can before the market crashes. Who knows when the market's gonna crash, right? I'm really considering sometime next year. We might see some kind of downfall to I'm not talking about crypto, I'm talking about like Wall Street and the real estate. That's what I'm expecting by the end of this year. And like I said, there isn't a whole lot of speculation on what's happening with Biden administration and also with what's like I know the impeachment was done, and I don't really care for the impeachment, but there's just, other political issues that hasn't been addressed yet, and there's other things that we haven't fixed, like COVID and like the vaccine and the travel ban and where the central banks are going with this, right? So like I said, probably give it like another 3 to 6 months to see what is going to happen with the market by summer, the beginning of summer. So after taxing, we'll get a feel for what's happening within the first quarter, right? Because the first quarter is going to end in March 1st, but that's like in 2 weeks here. So we don't, who knows what's going to happen. But yeah, just a quick video on what I see for Bitcoin here. Obviously, this is the weekly chart for Bitcoin here on TradingView, and we'll see what happens this week with Bitcoin. But like I said, it is still moving up, and it looks like, to be honest, it's gonna break 50,000, probably test 60,000. That's just the way I'm looking at it right now. Let me see. We can go here. I want to show you guys the monthly chart so you guys get a better picture on this. Now, obviously, we're not seeing 60,000, but you can see how massive this candle is, and it wants to go even higher before it comes back down based on the amount of volume that's being trickling up, right? So don't get too caught up. Like I said, if you're gonna sell it, scalp it. That's the easy way. Like I wouldn't, you wouldn't scalp on the monthly chart. You would scalp it. Like I would definitely look into scalping off the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, possibly the 1 hour. But like I said, there's a major key price right here at 50,000, 49,000. It is still uptrending, but like I said, you gotta be careful when they're gonna dump this coin. And what I mean by dumping it is like what they did back 3 years ago. If you guys look at what happened 3 years ago here, they jacked it up so high, right? I mean, to us 3 years ago, this was a really high price, right? Right at 20K, and then they pushed it all the way down to almost like 2K right here. So very interesting to see what's gonna happen by the end of tax season for crypto. You gotta think about all the consumer spending that's coming in. Think about the third stimulus check if it does get passed. Also, it's tax season, so people are waiting to get their taxes, and there's just gonna be a lot more spending and investing, around this time. And just wait till March and April. March is gonna kick off. People getting their tax returns back. What's gonna happen if Biden passes a third stimulus check, and then also, some other economic programs for the United States as well. And think about all the spending that's going to be done in the month of March until the end of April. That's like really, some two big factors. The two big months of spending. So other than that, that is it, guys. So who knows what's gonna happen, right? But like I said, it's still on a massive bull run, and who what's gonna happen is just pay attention to what's gonna happen after tax season, summertime, and what is gonna happen at the end of this year, first year of Biden's presidency, and we'll see what he brings up. You never know, right? So other than that, peace out, guys.